next term we hear is a unit testing. So unit testing is something a developer does, a developer level testing, where you write automated or manual testing for each and every method that you develop. If you have a method, let's say to add two numbers, some a comma b and return a plus b, right? So you write test cases to ensure your code works as expected at a function level or at a method level. So you have some method, you have a class called calculator that have a some method. Then you write test cases to ensure your sum works as expected when you pass right values, when you pass wrong values, how does it work? So the typical unit testing involves you to identify what all scenarios to test, and then you develop the test cases using frameworks depending on the technology, and then you go ahead and execute, and then you find out how much of the test cases have passed or failed, and then that will be executed in your DevOps cycle as well. So unit testing is something which is part of a developer effort, and depending on your technology, you will have tools and frameworks to help you write write the unit test cases.